In this video, we'll be looking at how to construct a regular polygon given the length of a side by the exact method. Alright, so let's start by drawing our horizontal baseline. Let's say we want each side of the polygon to be 5 centimeters in length. Alright, so let's measure 5 centimeters on this line. Next, we are going to draw a circle using B as the center and the radius AB. Now let's extend this line to meet this circumference. We're going to call this point O. Alright. Next, we are going to divide this line, the diameter of this circle, into a number of parts. In this video, we'll be looking at how to draw a pentagon. Alright, pentagon has 5 sides. So similarly, we're going to divide this line into 5. Let's draw a line that will make an acute angle with the diameter. Now take a radius of 1 centimeter, alright, and step it on the line. So we'll stand here, mark. One, two, three, four, 5. Alright. Now let's join the 5th mark 2.0. Now let's draw parallel lines to meet the diameter. So now we've been able to divide the line into 5 parts. Let's name here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, with A as the center and AO as the radius, we are going to draw an arc. Alright, so let's start at A, open to O, and draw an arc. Now start at O this time around and open to A. Alright, now draw an arc to intersect the first arc. Alright. Let's name the intersection P. Next, we'll draw a line from P through point 2 to meet the circumference. Alright. Let's call this intersection C. Now, with O as the center, we will pick the radius OC and mark it on this part of the circumference. Let's call this mark F. Now join B to F. We are almost through with the drawing. What we'll be doing is to bisect line AB and line BF. Alright. Start at B, open more than half the distance AB. Inscribe an arc. The same thing here. With the same dimension, cross the arcs. Similarly, stand at B and take more than half the distance BF. Describe an arc. The same distance, cross the arc. Now let's call the intersection K. Next, we'll stand at point K, open to A. Right, and with this distance, draw a circle. Now take distance AB and step it on the circumference of the new circle. We already have this one. Mark this point. Alright, we are done. We've been able to draw a pentagon by the exact method. So if you had wanted to draw a hexagon, we would have divided this line into 6 parts and not 5. Alright, thanks for watching.